Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth rice. First, gather all your ingredients, including rice, chicken, and broth. Next, we'll prepare the chicken and other aromatics. Then, combine everything in a pot and cook until the rice is perfectly tender and the chicken is done. Finally, I'll show you how to serve this comforting and delicious dish. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of chicken broth for the perfect ratio. Grab about 1/2 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into small pieces. Don't forget to chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic for flavor. Have 1 tablespoon of oil and your favorite seasonings, like salt and pepper, ready to go. Let's start cooking. In a pot, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion and garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are lightly browned on all sides. Stir in the 1 cup of rice, then pour in the 2 cups of chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Once the rice has cooked for 20 minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Let it rest, covered, for 5 minutes. This allows the steam to finish cooking the rice evenly. Gently fluff the chicken broth rice with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish with fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, if you like. Serve warm and enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.